Imagine a killer who believes they've gotten away with the perfect crime. It's been 30 or 40 years, and still nothing. The case has gone completely cold, evidence has been left untouched, and families still have questions. What are you supposed to do? Well, now, thanks to new DNA technology and improvements in the forensic science field, these killers are being able to be caught through DNA evidence. Many cold cases leave us with questions like who did it, how did they get away with it, and how were they never caught? The first use of DNA evidence was in the UK in 1986 by Alex Jeffreys when he used DNA fingerprinting to catch a killer. This moment was a crucial breakthrough in the field of forensic science. Now, here's the fun part where we see how DNA works in evidence. First, they look at the STR. STR is the difference in sections of DNA called short-term tandem repeats. These consist of a string of repeating DNA nucleotides that are usually 2 to 5 bases long, and there are many throughout the genome, each having different repeating units with different numbers of repeat. Then, it's analyzed and copied and compared with the suspects. Law enforcement agencies and the FBI analyze up to 20 STRs when creating DNA fingerprints. The profile created from the sample is then compared to the samples from each suspect to figure out who it could be. The likelihood that any two individuals having identical STR profiles is less than 1 in a quintillion. When these don't match up, we have to go deeper into forensic genealogy. Instead of looking at STRs, forensic genealogy looks at single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs. Using these, they can identify sections of shared DNA between samples, like a crime scene and a suspect. This SNP profile is also added into a genealogy database, which they can use to put together family trees and hopefully find an individual through distant relatives. Using these, they can identify John and Jane Does and also use DNA from past cases to find relatives and create a family tree leading to one suspect. Because of these advancements in forensic genealogy, cold cases from the 1970s and 1980s are able to be solved even decades later. Now that you know how it works, don't be afraid to voluntarily add your DNA to an SNP database. Who knows? Maybe your DNA can help solve a cold case too.